what I did most prominently was the test series of Rao's IAS, which I think is a really good initiative, and the questions were very much similar to the actual UPSC Prelims question paper. So I think both the test series and current affairs magazines really helped me a lot, particularly in the prelims preparation.
So as you all heard, how the Rao's IAS Prelims test series helped Divyanshu Chaudhary in cracking the prelims examination. And with just 6 months left for the prelims examination, there are two set of aspirants who are preparing.
Yes.
First ones who are appearing for the first time in the 2022's prelims examination, and the second set of aspirants who appeared in the last prelims but could not crack the prelims examination.
Yes.
But with just 6 months left, you need to put your best foot forward to crack the prelims examination. So Weber, what do you think the aspirant should do from now on?
So as far as current status is concerned, the aspirant should first assess their own level of preparation.
Right.
And then based on their current assessment, they should devise their own strategy, which should include both current affairs as well as the static portion.
Yes.
And also testing cannot be forgotten as of now. Testing is a very, very important component.
Yes.
So do we have anything for students who are going to appear in the prelims 2022?
So Weber, you correctly pointed out that testing is really important to assess your current level of preparation.
Yes.
And for that, Rao's IAS conducts Pre-Pareekshan test, which is a series of 4 All India mock tests which are absolutely free. And the first test in this line is scheduled for this weekend, that is between 26th to 28th of November.
Yes.
Which will be followed by a live online discussion on 29th. That is why
that will be very, very useful for the aspirants.
Yes, that will be a very important thing. Now I would like you to highlight what are the key features of Pre-Pareekshan test and how it will help the aspirants in understanding their level of preparation and different aspects of their preparation.
Yes, sir. Pre-Pareekshan is going to test the knowledge of static as well as the current affairs.
Right.
And once you have gone through that level of testing, you easily know your own weak areas.
Right.
And once you know your weak areas, you can easily decide which are going to be your focus areas for next 4 to 5 months.
Exactly.
Yeah. So in that sense, what are the deliverables under Pre-Pareekshan?
Yes, Vaibhav. And in order to analyze your weak areas and have a strategy for the upcoming prelims examination, the Pre-Pareekshan will provide All India ranking. It will help you in understanding the level of difficulty of the questions, that is, which all questions were easy, which were difficult, and which were tricky to solve in this paper. Also, your performance vis-a-vis the performance of the topper will also be analyzed. That is, it will help in understanding how much time did the topper take to answer a particular question. And besides this, the aspirants will be provided with detailed solution of the questions, plus it will be followed by a live online discussion. So that will help in improving the test taking strategy, which all questions could have been skipped in this paper, which all questions could have been attempted.
So it will be a whole ecosystem which will enable the aspirants to clearly prepare themselves for the prelims examination.
But not just this. This time we are providing with a very unique opportunity to the aspirants. So Vaibhav, please highlight to our aspirants that what is the unique feature that the aspirants will be getting if they attempt the Pre-Pareekshan test of this time.
Yes, sir. It is very important that our viewers know that the top rankers are going to get scholarship for GSI QIP program.
Right.
Which is a great program in the sense that one-to-one mentorship is provided to all the students of GSI QIP.
Yes.
Along with the mentorship, they are provided with integrated prelims and mains test series.
You're right.
Apart from that, we provide right kind of push just before the prelims and mains examination in the form of prelims QIP and mains QIP. And also, the aspirants go through very rigorous theme-based current affairs classes on the weekends.
Right.
And so all of that into GSI QIP. And if you do well in the Pre-Pareekshan, you will get it in the form of scholarship.
So basically, we are providing hand-holding to the aspirants for all the stages of the examination, right from prelims to the mains examination, and also on different aspects like the current affairs, the prelims as well as the mains test series.
Yes.
So what are you waiting for? Register on the eLearn platform and appear in the test from 26th to 28th of November. And be ready to get a scholarship if you score the top ranking. See you on the live discussion day on 29th of November.